yo. Yeah. Ghana entertainment industry. Yeah. And my boy come ko jan. If you say many abrepa. Ebonoa. Yo. Hey. Enti like play. Ebonoa at the mube 3 days. Yo. Yeah. Hey, what's up? There be transnam kase Ghana entertainment industry. Yeah. Now man force. Enya agro na edi wa how. Ade na atu Ebonoa no. Yeah. Hey, open industry wa Ghana omuye wiki pa, omuye very weak on. Ghana entertainment industry. Yeah, very weak. Omuye weak. And adebakwa esaye me ja about the entertainment gatekeepers ni. The year 2025. Penipa o ma Ghana din eko wiase ba bia Ebonoa. Me boa wa se me boa ni brabe gina sekan so. Asema meken wa se me boa no be gina sekan so 2025. The whole world wiase nyina anim se Ebonoa content creator. Obi anyone na adwene da ho a sabi obefa Ebonoa se na Ebonoa nim se nso bi ba na me asamba mo me nka no kakra mo me face facts me share Black Rasta anyone government official securities ni ba ko mo chi Ebonoa no na o chechem I think say CID no say police no o cheche case ma share Black Rasta menya bo cheche interview me dofo so o share interview na even police ni cheche mu share Black Rasta na osre because Oshe Ebonoa and some na okana it was funny. Asem we see ye. Come here say entertainment industry no bia kana no atum but time na Ebonoa create content obi ade bo numbers there. Yaw. No eja. No, hey Ebonoa asem no. Hey no me da hodin am say hey rade. Problem crana. You be free me. As I'm talking to you right now, party are very expensive pa niye things say we are say you ya. Idea your friend attention on social media. Idea very expensive say pa attention. Say obey bibi na obi abedanya ne obebie ni fun mu no na wo no mu kopo akira kwan saa de no ansa na nyankopon be mo ani soade hunu bi amotimanya bibi a wo de ba ma wiase nyina aba odi no my dear now we are chosen one Ebonoa me nya lawyer enu nti no me mpese meka the law part of Ebonoa. But me a creative person. And you know, I will center my commentary on the creative part. Say, nanka ye smarter. Adia Ebonoa ye on. And ka say creative art ministry no. Omu taking from there. Nanka so mu invite Ebonoa. No mu ne transe. No mu se ebo. Adia now ye no. Afa. And you now no. Sabaya ebia emranche chirewa ohu. Enko ye se. Who create fear and panic sness and your mano. Yen create bibi from attention out the abano. I was a takwa de hono. Yen create bibi akibi. Because a smart move. Na yama yasi who say no. Ebia yenyano. Na or they pay attention. But even through that, no, what you create bibi a creative. O person who the Ghana Ebonoa and oh, yen create bibi. Creativity nya bibia abroche baby ekoko ese tourist center e you be na transe juni bibi tower ya si Paris efe tower o se de ya ye kofra etuesk e you obi adwene Ghana ni na yes ade na ade tententen na tower na ye beka se edipa kojo mbe wunti ye be kina kotum won bibi ni adwene se Ghana ni na nya nyansa se yensi edade bi tententen 100 and 1,000 feet ne nipa me share ke be china ko shem se obodam ye din ye ko he na adwenim idea Ebonowa ye won. One of the most creative ideas are Nyankopon de dom Ghana 2025. But all of a sudden, you're taking the creative part of it in a film. Share the idea yakodano. Already Ebonowa anyamomobo. Ebonowa anyamomobo. Eya. No, Eja. Hey, Bono was no. I am a shaman swim. I come with some see already. Me could be biabedi. No, Eya. Obede. Sarkodie, I mean, Shab, Obede. Why are dear? And Penny for say half of a loaf is better than none. Why are dear? But Nick also taking a step further. Also tweets, who the 2-page in this one kasa. And yes, all the 2 timeline. There be obede. And how come man to was a papa? Free Ebonowa dear obede. E woman say why are dear? And dear me perceive on dear me dear me whom is a fair. For you to even talk about it, crash and say, what's your concern? But obede, and need him senior. Se ka start free Ebonowa obede. Papa. Muhum energy, muhum voice, muhum power. On say ametaka say, on say last time na me ka say, ya ka say Ghana entertainment industry and one is Shatta movement. I'm telling you, no, I say more come. Obi o tin chen be ka say bia, o ye bias and ase bibisa. By Ghana entertainment industry. Ghana entertainment industry. Metaphor no one is Shatta movement. I'm telling you. Omukofa Shatta ko fie bim so wudi omukoye ye nka so obi anko ba bi ye instigate am for so omunkoye bone anase bibisa o bedru ba bia mum ye show love mum ye show concern enka Ebonowa semi free Ebonowa no enka o se content creator bia o wias ye nyi wiase for no kran film o Ghana bia support sade no se enua no e wom se bia ade no kan no wan kan ye ba ni dem panifo we de temper justice with mercy, or temper mercy with justice. Now, you know, consider now, Obia ni mo peka krato aduane de Asia. Yes, you, see, I didn't a black pastor, because I know say Ebonowa a daycare be watchman who said, Radin and Yankopon, Asia, yeah, Ghana, Asia, oh, Asia. Ebonowa. Oh, you genius. Hey, na there me yani say, Ebonowa si nsuo beto. O she Ebonowa videos ni nyina. Ebonowa, nyina baabi anka se sabi obi mra ark nim. Ebonowa ama obi a date say date wey. Ewiase besai. Ebonowa erade nyame. Mr. President, Papa, and ETM, consider Indian. A woman so form. Oh, they were from Nemom no. Ebonowa are entertaining Ghanaians. Ebonowa are entertaining a Yasina. Ebonowa amaye dianko baby. I say Ghana Noah. Ebo, Yamino a holding. Eba say ya. Enti atiamu ne betiantiam batenko ba bia bataye me ko bi no man kam di ana ha adwene obede senior ani die me bono wa asem no mo Ghana ye nyina nim se mo voice mo nkasem the creative industry now sabi ye papa John Dramani Mahama de mo baye no mo nkeka mo Mr. Keodi Mr. Beku Santana, senior. Enkoto Joku from senior. Where the monfam anuntu ma Ebonowa. Eja. Adia nipa bebre ja kese pa wo Ebonowa case yi woni se. Wo de wo pa wo me hwe 31st night. Mo hwe nsema sabi asofu yi be kan ye. Fear and panic ben a chain some asofu be kan 31st night. na comedian. Oh. Yeah. Ebo, nyame no ho de wate. Nyame be ko ama. Mr. Mahama, Papa. Any DM for any to. Papa, bibi kakra bi no di kwa. When you lie bia. I was say ebo no ya Bonah baso o Ghana. Creative ministry no mon sorry kakra because I say creative ministry adwene na twemo 2026 creative ministry no mon sesam on because now no age be atwam ye with different age now nipo betimi enya attention globally no why adoma chade o why bibio now answer na ubetimi anya attention the whole world no me dofo na nya me de nsa aka wana say bia nyame ahumobo. I'm telling you, free ebonowa mesremo mumye nyina nyame adoma akina mumye nyina mra bonten free ebonowa peacefully na mumye nyina nya content ni mu nkotodwe na yempa sabi emra na chew say nua no sabi wafom na mom no enya say bia oye boni bi say bia odi hu betu obi so ana bibisa ebi emra ne mu ne de ebi ebonowa na odi for, but they should temper justice with mercy. An idiom. Free Ebonowa. Yao. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Unyankopon shraw. Na onte na nim shraw.